Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the man command. As we know that we have a lot of different Linux commands, so it is kind of impossible to remember the function of each Linux command. In such cases, the man command will help you. It will simply display you the manual instructions of that particular command. So first of all, let me just open up the terminal. Okay, so for example, I just want to know the manual instruction of the head command. So I'm gonna write man, then I'm gonna simply write head. So it will simply show me the instruction of that particular command. Okay, you can see the name, synopsis, description, and every option that particular command have. You got the point. So if you just want to query, you're gonna write the Q for it. So I just don't exactly remember the function of the cp command. So what I need to do, I'm gonna simply write the cp and it will tell me every instruction that the cp command, every option that the cp command have. Alright, it will simply tell me that the copy files and the directories. The manual will simply show you the function of their particular command and what options you can use with that particular command, and you can also go for the more help and you can see that we have a lot of options in the cp. Okay, you can see more if you want for the help. Alright, so I think you just got the point, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.